In today's fast-paced world, having a versatile kitchen appliance that can multitask is essential. The Ninja AMZ493BRN compact kitchen system is designed to cater to the diverse needs of modern kitchens, combining a powerful blender, an ice crusher, and a food processor into one compact and efficient unit. With its 1200-watt motor, Auto IQ technology, and a range of attachments, this kitchen system promises to be your go-to appliance for smoothies, dough, frozen drinks, and more. In this detailed review, we'll delve into the features, benefits, and overall performance of the Ninja Compact Kitchen System to help you decide if it's the right fit for your kitchen. Blending, chopping, and kneading are fundamental tasks in any kitchen, but these processes often require different appliances. This not only takes up valuable counter space, but also adds to the hassle of cleaning multiple devices. Moreover, many kitchen appliances lack the power or functionality to handle tougher ingredients like ice, frozen fruits, or dough, leading to inconsistent results and frustration. The Ninja Compact Kitchen System addresses these challenges by offering a multifunctional solution that combines all these tasks into one powerful machine. The Ninja Compact Kitchen System is designed to simplify your kitchen tasks without compromising on performance. With its 1200-watt motor and Auto IQ technology, this system takes the guesswork out of blending, chopping, and kneading. Whether you're making a refreshing smoothie, crushing ice for a frozen cocktail, or kneading dough for homemade bread, the Ninja Compact Kitchen System is equipped to handle it all. The system comes with three main components: a 72-ounce total crushing pitcher, a 5-cup precision processor bowl, and an 18-ounce single-serve cup, each designed for specific tasks, but all powered by the same robust motor. When you unbox the Ninja Compact Kitchen System, you'll find a complete kitchen system ready to tackle a variety of culinary tasks. The package includes 1200-watt motor, base, the powerhouse of the system, providing the necessary torque and speed for all attachments. 72-ounce total crushing pitcher, perfect for blending large batches of smoothies, frozen drinks, and more. The pitcher has a 64-ounce max liquid capacity, making it ideal for family-sized serving. 5-cup precision processor bowl. Equipped with chopping and dough blade assemblies, this bowl is perfect for food processing tasks like chopping vegetables or kneading dough. 18-ounce single-serve cup. For those who prefer their smoothies on the go, this cup allows you to blend directly and take your drink with you, complete with a spout lid for convenience. Stacked blade assembly. Designed for the pitcher, this blade system ensures thorough blending and ice crushing. Dough blade assembly. Specially designed for the processor bowl, this blade makes kneading dough for pizzas, breads, and other baked goods a breeze. Chopping blade assembly. Ideal for precision chopping in the processor bowl. Pro extractor blades assembly. Perfect for the single-serve cup, ensuring that your smoothies are perfectly blended. 15 Recipe Inspiration Guide. A handy booklet to get you started with delicious recipes, from smoothies to frozen drinks and more. The Ninja Compact Kitchen System 1200-watt motor is the heart of the system, providing the power needed to tackle even the toughest ingredient. Pro extractor blades assembly and stacked blade assembly work in tandem. Crush ice, blend frozen fruits, and pulverize vegetables into smooth, creamy textures. Whether you're making a nutrient-packed smoothie or a frozen margarita, the Ninja Compact Kitchen System delivers consistent results every time. The motor's power is complemented by Auto IQ technology, which uses intelligent programs to combine unique timed pulsing, blending, and pausing patterns. This feature takes the guesswork out of blending, ensuring that you get the perfect consistency without having to manually adjust settings. The Ninja Compact Kitchen System isn't just a blender, it's a complete kitchen system that offers three versatile functions: blending, ice crushing, and food processing. Blending. Whether you're making smoothies, soups, or sauces, the 72-ounce total crushing pitcher is perfect for the job. The stacked blade assembly ensures that all ingredients are evenly blended, no chunks left behind. Ice crushing. The powerful motor and blade assembly make short work of ice, allowing you to create perfectly crushed ice for cocktails, slushies, and other frozen treats. Food processing. A 5-cup precision processor bowl is ideal for chopping vegetables, making salsas, or kneading dough. The included chopping and dough blade assemblies provide the versatility needed for these tasks, making the Ninja Compact Kitchen System a true all-in-one kitchen appliance. One of the standout features of the Ninja Compact Kitchen System is its Auto IQ technology. This system uses pre-programmed settings, combine unique timed pulsing, blending, and pausing patterns. These intelligent programs take the guesswork out of blending, ensuring that you achieve the perfect consistency every time. Whether you're making a smoothie, crushing ice, or processing food, Auto IQ does the work for you. But you can set it and forget it. For those who lead a busy lifestyle, 18-ounce single-serve cup is a game changer. This cup allows you to blend your favorite smoothie directly in the cup, attach the spout lid, and take it with you on the go. Perfect for a quick breakfast smoothie or a post-workout protein shake. The cup is BPA-free and dishwasher-safe, making cleanup quick and easy. The Ninja Compact Kitchen System is designed with user convenience in mind. The wide base of the pitcher and processor bowl ensures that ingredients flow freely down to the blades, reducing the need for manual intervention. Controls are straightforward and intuitive, allowing you to switch between functions and settings with ease. After you're done using the system, all the attachments, including the pitcher, processor bowl, and single-serve cup, are dishwasher safe, making cleanup a breeze. The BPA-free parts give you peace of mind, knowing that your food and drinks are free from harmful chemicals. Ninja is known for its durable and reliable kitchen appliances, and the Compact Kitchen System is no exception. The system's components are built to withstand daily use, from the tough blade assemblies to the sturdy pitcher and processor bowl. While the motor base is powerful, it's also designed to be compact and space-saving, making it easy to store when not in use. Users of the Ninja Compact Kitchen System have praised its power, versatility, and ease of use. Many have highlighted the convenience of the Auto IQ settings, which take the guesswork out of blending and processing. The ability to make everything from smoothies to dough with one appliance is a major plus, especially for those with limited kitchen space. However, some users have noted that the system can be quite loud, particularly when crushing ice or blending at high speeds. While this is a minor inconvenience, it's something to keep in mind if noise levels are a concern for you. Final thoughts. A must-have for the modern kitchen. The Ninja Compact Kitchen System is more than just a blender. It's a versatile, powerful, and intelligent kitchen appliance that can handle a wide range of tasks. Whether you're making a quick smoothie, preparing dough for homemade bread, or chopping vegetables for a salsa, this system has the tools and technology to get the job done efficiently and effectively. If you're looking for a kitchen system that combines power, versatility, and convenience in one compact unit, Ninja Compact Kitchen System is an excellent choice. Click the link in the description below to see the full product specifications and make your purchase today. If you enjoyed this review, like the video and subscribe to our channel for more in-depth reviews.